I'm going to be doing some work on some canvas for a customer, with a customer. I don't know how to put it. He had some things, he wants me to try to make a few things out of canvas. He's providing the canvas that he wants to use and everything. This is a flare gun holster. It's got a really wide welt here. We're just going to take that welt out and turn this into a holster. If I've got a gun that is close to what he wants to put in here, that will make it a little easier for me to size this. I'll have to get some binding tape to go around here because that's a cotton binding. That's what it looks like. Not a canvas binding. But it's a cotton canvas material that is not waxed. Should be able to do something pretty cool with it. I know he wants to put another gun in here. Not sure what. This had a flare gun in it. Has pockets here for 3 flares. Had some straps on it. Nice strap there to hold it closed. So I'll have to get with him and we'll make sure we get everything the way that he's hoping to have it. This is another canvas holster. I'm not certain what it's for. It's open all the way through. It goes clear through. Not sure. That's a pretty stout holster. My end frame Smith & Wesson will fit in there. A big highway patrolman I got. That'd fit in there pretty easy, or one of my big Rugers. Of course, the Ruger's got a really long barrel. Well, so does the highway patrolman, come to think of it. They'll stick out the bottom. Some strap stuff on the back. Looks like this might be some kind of a drop leg kind of holster. Strap to go around your leg maybe. Not sure. It's got straps. I'll have to find out exactly what he wants to do with this one. I will get some of this binding tape coming. There's a pouch. If I had to guess, that's probably for grenades. I don't know. From the pattern, it kind of looks like it's Swiss, but I'm not sure. Not sure at all. Pretty neat though. Like I said, I'm not sure what he wants to do with all of this. I've got some notes on my computer. I haven't looked yet. Well, I haven't looked recently. I just picked these up today because, well, I've been busy. Here's a magazine pouch. Fits some fairly short magazines. Here's kind of a stack and a half. Not quite a double stack. Fits in there good. Fits in pretty good. That's out of my shield. My 45 shield. Because, you know, why shoot twice? As I say that, and you know, my other carry gun, that's my main carry is my 45 shield. If I really need to conceal, it's this. Ugh. The only thing I don't like about this is it's hard to rack it. Clear. It's clear. Doesn't have a magazine in it either. That's here. So that's pretty cool. There's another magazine pouch. Looks like they were having some trouble with their machine, the way it's stitched on the back. So I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, that fits that 45 mag too. I don't think it'd fit a full double stack mag. Probably work for like 1911 mags. I'd have to dig a couple of those out and try them, but pretty slick. This holster had the binding tape started coming apart. And that's exactly what it looks like, is that binding just came apart down here. So that's a pretty small holster. That fits my little Taurus TCP pretty well. That mag pouch is tiny though. Oh, well, it'll hold a 380 magazine. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice little holster for something small. If you need to just kind of keep that close at hand. Little strap closure here. Strap just slips through there. Keeps it closed. Interesting belt attachment back here. I'm not sure where that's from. That's a pretty neat bag. And a little pocket up here. I don't know if this is like an ammo pouch. What kind of bag that is. It's not super big, but it is pretty cool. Some of these I'm going to reproduce out of leather. So if you want to see that, let me know. Some of this, the canvas is going to get repurposed into other things. So I don't believe that any of this is anything special. All either reproductions or something like that. So that's a pretty cool little bag. This is a bigger bag. Got the cross on it, so it's probably some kind of med bag. Got a carry strap. Pretty big inside. Got some light canvas. It's like a pocket. Oh yeah. There's a pocket in here with a drawstring on the top. Another pocket in the back. You know, you can't see most of this, but I think this is going to get repurposed into something else. The closure is kind of different. I've used these on handbags before. It kind of goes over, then you twist it, give it a quarter turn, and that locks it. So that's kind of cool. That's what he sent me. It should be pretty neat to do something with it. I'm kind of anxious to go back to my notes. I think he'll be watching the video, so we kind of work off of that a little bit. And hopefully he'll be able to give me more direction on which thing gets what done to it. Canvas can be difficult to work with. It's thick, and it can be as tough as leather when you're trying to sew it. I don't have a problem with it. I've got the big Cobra Class 4 sewing machine over here. I've got the work table for it and everything. So I can show you that real quick here, I guess. Gonna move you. Unplug that. So there's the big Class 4. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's a pretty heavy duty machine, and it will have no problem getting through some canvas. I just sewed up this belt, 2 layers of 8 to 9, sewed right through that without any problem. So that should be easy enough. I've also got the 3115 Singer that'll sew through some canvas too, like it's not even there. Other than that, I think that's going to be it. We'll see what happens here. I'll keep you in the loop. If there's something you want to see made out of canvas, let me know. Drop a comment. We'll see what we can do. All that being said, stay safe, God bless, and have a great day.